Do you express your opinion with a monotonous tone, such as I think or I personally think? Well, this is an overrated phrase normally people express their opinions with. But if you'd like to be exceptionally different from other people in your communication skills, then you need to learn some other synonymous phrases to express your views and opinion. So in this video, we'll look at the various phrases through the help of which you can express your advice, opinion, and your views. Hello, my name is Sadiq Akbar and I'm TEFL and TESOL Certified Trainer and Career Counselor, and you are watching my YouTube channel, English and Professional Development. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it and click on a bell icon to get more informative videos. You might have seen that people normally express their opinions with a single plain overrated phrase, which is I think or I personally think. First of all, we need to know the difference between the static and non-static verb. Whenever you are expressing your opinion, we say I think. We don't say I'm thinking. When you are expressing your opinion, your beliefs and your views about something, then we use I think, the base form of verb, which is called a state verb or a static verb. However, when we are considering something, contemplating and sleeping on something, so we use I'm thinking. So the difference between these two, state and non-state verb, is that when we are expressing our opinion, we use I think. But however, when we are thinking about something, we are considering that, we use I'm thinking of. For instance, I think co-education is a good system of education, where male and female mutually and collaboratively get education under one roof. But if I'm thinking about something, so I would say, well, I'm thinking of giving up my bad habits. I'm thinking of going shopping next week. I'm thinking of starting my new business. So the main difference between a state and non-static verb is that when we are expressing our opinion, we use I think. However, when we are thinking about something and contemplating and considering that, we use I'm thinking of. So usually non-native speakers do not get the difference between these two, state and non-static verb. Other than I think, we have many phrases to express our opinion with. For instance, in my view. When somebody asks you or inquires about your opinion, your views, so instead of saying I think, you can differently make your opinion, such as in my view or in my opinion. In my opinion, this is a very nice car. In my opinion, you have made a good decision about leaving that bad habit. In my view, she can be a good life partner for you. Other than in my view, in my opinion, we have as far as my view is concerned. This is a very formal way of expressing your opinion as far as my view is concerned. For instance, as far as my view is concerned about getting higher education, I believe that everyone should get higher education to pursue his or her career. So as far as my view is concerned, is a very nice phrase to express your opinion. Other than this, we have it seems to me. It seems to me is a casual way of expressing your opinion. When somebody inquires about something, you say, instead of saying I think, you can say, it seems to me. And the last phrase is, I'm of the view. I'm of the view is also a synonymous phrase of I think, as far as my view is concerned, or in my opinion. So whenever you are going to express your opinion or views or beliefs about something, so instead of saying I think, you can express your opinions and your views with a number of phrases such as I think, I personally think, in my opinion, in my view, as far as my view is concerned, it seems to me, I'm of the view, and I believe. So I hope that next time when you are expressing yourself, you will definitely impress your interlocutor by expressing your opinions and views with these phrases other than I think. Thank you for watching.